our laundry in, and the Idyllwild laundromat is so kind to give us loaner clothes. Dave, how about you turn around and show us your awesome style? Look at this, Idyllwild. Fucking love it up here.
Hey Shan, where are we?
Hey, we're just at Nomad Ventures and we just picked up some micro spikes. Yay!
We picked them up a little bit early because it sounds like San Jacinto is going to be a little bit snowy. We don't know how it's going to go either way. A bit of drama because I didn't know whether to fit them for today's shoes or for the shoes that we're going to be picking up in a week or so. So I ended up getting ones a little bit bigger for the next pair of shoes. Hopefully that's all going to be good. And yeah, we've got some spikes because basically the sheriff says everyone's got to go up wearing spikes because he doesn't want to pull any more people up off the mountain. So, fair call. We'll be grabbing them early. Where are we?
The Plant Food Supper Club in Idyllwild, and we just ordered a buttload of food. I am big Kev excited.
Sirens in my head. Sirens in my head. Sirens in my head. Sirens in my head.
This place, it's so beautiful.
Sirens in my head.
Okay guys, we just left Idyllwild. It is day 9 and we are packed up with about 8 days worth of food to get us all the way to Big Bear Lake, where Dave's got some ultras and I don't know.
Moment case.
Oh yes, my moment case, because my moment case broke and now I can't use my lenses. I'm very sad about that. So Dave and I have done a little bit of a switcheroo. But yeah, our bags are super heavy. We've packed out sandwiches. We want as much fresh food as possible. We still got some avocados and some apples.
Potato salad.
Potato salad, chickpeas, tabbouleh. Oh my God.
We're going to make some Campmates very jelly today. And after that, it's nothing but oatmeal for breakfast, mashed potatoes for dinner, and muesli bars for the rest of the day.
I brought cookies.
Shan brought some cookies, so there's a little bit of a morale booster in there somewhere, but unfortunately we missed the doggo mare.
We missed him.
Yeah.
We were told he'd be around at 1 o'clock and we looked everywhere and there was no doggos.
Apparently teeming with all the scheming, laughing at your foreign views. What's happening inside my shoes from the other point of view?
I kind of wish it was raining right now. Look at this amazing, like, natural water slide just carved into the rock. Like, how many millions of years just flowing out into the valley. Oh man, the one day I want it to rain.
Sirens in my head. Sirens in my head. Sirens in my head.
Look at what we have here. Just done. We were planning on doing a 0, but we've done a Nero instead. We've hiked 4 miles. And we found this beautiful campsite that we just couldn't pass up. If we just go a little bit further into here, we're tucked nice and in the back. There's Davey. Hi, Davey. We're gonna try and cowboy camp tonight because the weather is looking good. Got our little setup here. Got our bivy bags just out. Got our backpacks under the feet so we can elevate them and feel good. Just in case. We've got our tarp here. Hopefully we won't have to use it. I don't think we will. Because look. Blue sky, baby. Blue skies. Hey guys, we just successfully did our first cowboy camp. Yes!
We're up very, very early. It's quite cold.
It's 5 a.m. The sun's not up just yet. So it's very, very cold. Yeah. We need to get moving.
Symphony running wild in harmony. Tide in, tide out, storm and quiet peace. Earthworms to the birds to the lion's teeth.
We are currently on our way up to San Jacinto. For now, we've got a really, really big climb ahead of us. We're gonna gain the most elevation we've had since we started.
We've got some awesome breakfast plans, so we're just trying to find a nice spot, and then we've got to eat our potato salad leftovers on a wrap. But unfortunately, we've lost both of our spoons.
We lost our spoon.
So we came all the way down that big old hill down there, up there, down here to get some water. It's going to be a bit of a dry stretch. I mean, there is water along the way today, but all of it is like 1 mile steep, loose rubble. So this is our water source over here. It's got some nice algae. But we're going to be filtering it, and it's running through. We didn't grab it from there, we grabbed it from the pipe over there.
Apparently, raccoons and foxes come around here and wash their food before they eat it. They've got some research gear happening for it. The climb out of this really does suck. And I'm not even carrying the water.
My brother, he's been sick. He's coughing through the night. He's got 9 months of service till he's home to see his wife. Me, Elizabeth, I can still see your dark brown eyes. Elizabeth, this could be the last time I write. Yeah, I'm nervous, I can't lie. And if you don't hear from me, tell my mother it's alright. I'm at the edge of the fire. And if you don't hear from me, I'll meet you in heaven when I die.
So we're currently descending about 1,000 feet just so we can climb up another 1,000 feet to get to the top of that mountain right ahead of us. Ah, the joys of hiking.
Doing a lot of climbing, and it's been incredibly tiring, but we're slowly getting there. Puff too. Ooh-wee.
We're currently just over 7,000 feet, which is just over the highest point in Australia, Mount Kosciuszko.
I think we're learning a very valuable lesson today, which is that we suck above 7,000 feet. I'm so puffed. There's no catching your breath. But I tell you what, it's pretty hard to watch people just fly past you like it's nothing at all, and you just can't even breathe.
Davey, what you looking at?
Some pretty impressive looking mountains.
Ooh, let's have a look ourselves. Dun, dun, dun.
It's 6 o'clock. We usually
Set up camp by now.
Yeah, last light today is at
Around
8 o'clock. The reason we can't go, we're thinking about pushing on and not going back is because
We have a rock slide.
and tomorrow is supposed to be snowy and rainy. We don't really want to be walking on this sort of terrain in the dark either, so it's not a great situation either way. But I think
The last campsites are like super duper exposed and it's really, really windy out there as well.
so. There's not really a great choice. What are you thinking, Shan?
I don't know, let's just push on. You can see lots of like snow and ice. Here's our little tarp. It didn't rain or snow last night, but it did get well below freezing. It's a pretty beautiful place. Coming up close to the junction to summit San Jacinto Peak.
It's quite steep and snowy and icy. Not dangerous at all, just really hard work.
Yeah, really takes it out of you. We almost did 20 miles.
Almost.
Almost.
But they were very tough miles.
And they were very beautiful.
I don't know how much snow all the other years of the PCT have gotten, but this seems like a lot. It never ends. Snow's starting to get a bit slushy here where the sun hits it. It's a little bit more like really crappy skiing. Neither of us has fallen over yet, so I think we're golden.
So we're doing San Jacinto Peak, take 2. We just come up the other side of the mountain. Still only just started, but there's heaps of people on this side and they're saying, yeah, it's gonna be a little bit hard, but it's not post-holy, it's not slushy, it's gonna be good. I was really hoping to use the loo, but it doesn't look like it's gonna be happening. Look at this, guys, we made it to the top. It's been such a long slug, but we did it. High five! Yes! Dave was not having a good time getting up there, but you know what? Getting down, holy moly, I've never seen someone move so fast and have so much fun. He was practically skiing. It snowed. It snowed a lot. We got stuck in a snowstorm. We're not in a proper tent site. Our tarp has not collapsed, but the sides have kind of
Sagged from the
sagged from all of the snow.
I don't know if you can tell, but we are just see all of that dark shadow. That's snow. See all this wetness on my sleeping bag? That's snow. That's
So sad.
That's
Dingleberry on my shoelace because my shoes froze and they froze in mud and now I've got a dingleberry.
I was driving through a rainbow on the coast, and in my mirror I picked up a ghost. I said you got luck in your eyes and a beauty.
So we've just dropped 2,000 feet in elevation from 8.5 to 6.5, and things are looking a lot better. The snow is a lot more patchy, we're getting heaps more dirt, but everything is just like one giant puddle. We met these amazing trail angels from Tehachapi who are section hiking right now, and they gave us a spoon. We lost both of our spoons, so we couldn't eat half of our food, but now we have a spoon.
Black cloud descending, the January birds are flying away. We found your place late at night. The headlights turned bright in my imaginary storyline.
Hey guys, so we just met Gold Tech, and he just gave us trail magic, our first trail magic at mile 200 on the PCT. He's like Santa, he's just carrying around this giant sack of chips and chocolates. Like, what a freaking awesome dude, it was so cool. Hey guys, so we're trying to squeeze out the last couple miles of the day. Can you believe it? We can't. We started our day all the way up there.
At 8,600 feet, and now we're all the way down here at not 8,600 feet. Just wanted to show you.
So we've got like a couple miles of road walk, and then we're gonna hike up into the mountains towards Big Bear. Look at this cute little place.
It was just in time.